Hello friends, today in this video we shall discuss the condition to be fulfilled for appointment of managing director, full-time director or manager of a company. This has been provided in part 1 of schedule 5 of Companies Act 2013. Let's see what are the conditions. No person shall be eligible for appointment as managing director or full-time director or manager of a company unless he satisfies the following conditions. Condition A, he had not been sentenced to imprisonment for any period or to a fine exceeding 1000 rupees for the conviction of an offence under any of the following acts: Indian Stamp Act, Central Excise Act, Industries Development and Regulation Act, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, Essential Commodities Act, Companies Act, Securities Contract Regulation Act, Wealth Tax Act, Indian Tax Act, Custom Act, Competition Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, SIC Industrial Companies Special Provision Act, SEBI Act, Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, Goods and Service Tax Act, Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, let's see the another condition. He had not been detained for any period under the Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act, provided where central government has given its approval to the appointment of a person convicted or detained under subsection A or subsection B, as the case may be. No further approval of central government shall be necessary for the subsequent appointment of that person, if he had not been so convicted or detained subsequent to such approval. So this is proviso. Next condition, he has completed the age of 21 years and has not attained the age of 70 years. There is a proviso, provided that where he has attained the age of 70 years and where his appointment is approved by a special resolution passed by the company in general meeting, no further approval of central government shall be necessary for such appointment. So where he has attained the age of 70 years and his appointment has been approved by the special resolution passed by the company in general meeting, then no further approval of central government shall be necessary. Next condition, he is resident of India. There is an explanation. For the purpose of this schedule, Resident in India includes a person who has been staying in India for a continuous period of not less than 12 months, immediately preceding the date of his appointment as managerial personnel. Managerial personnel means managing director, full-time director here, and any other manager. And who has come to stay in India for taking up employment in India or for carrying on a business or vacation in India. Explanation 2. These conditions shall not apply to companies in special economic zone as notified by the Department of Commerce from time to time. This condition means he is resident in India. This condition shall not apply to a company in special economic zone notified by Department of Commerce from time to time. There is a proviso that a person being non-resident in India shall enter India only after obtaining a proper employment visa from the concerned Indian mission abroad. For this purpose, such persons shall be required to furnish, along with visa application from the profile of the company, the principal employer, terms and conditions of such person's employment. So this is all about the conditions for appointment of conditions to be fulfilled for appointment of managing director, full-time director or manager without approval of central government. This has been provided in part 1 of schedule 5 of Companies Act. So thank you for watching.